Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to prioritize app downloads on your iPhone. In order to prioritize downloading for some application, if you're installing several ones, we're gonna have to first start downloading several applications on our iPhone, so I can show you how to do that. Let me pause the installation process, and now let's find this application on our home screen or in the app library. In my case, I can see that these apps are both installing into an app library. And now if you want to prioritize one of these applications, just select it and select prioritize download, and this will download and install this application as the first one on your smartphone. And this trick is especially useful during an iCloud restoring when you want some applications to download faster than the others. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.